Hi folks, Max from Galaxy Note 2 Root.com for this week's GTN 7100 ROM of the week. Check out WanamLite's MI6. This is actually based off the leaked Android 4.3, and I do prefer Wanam's builds because his builds are very clean. Slightly debuilded, and he always adds cool features, and also does flawless work well with his Wanam Expose app. Let me go ahead and show you the Android 4.3. These are pretty much the apps it comes with. Of course, you get the latest group play from the Galaxy S4. So this is a new group play, not the one on the Play Store. So you'll be able to play games or turn your Note 2 into multiple stereo speakers. That is nice. That is just standard with Android 4.3. Let's go take a look at some of the new things with Android 4.3 in general. You'll get blocking mode, hands-free, their smart screen, smart rotation, that's pretty much the same. Voice control, alright, and also S Pen features here. Some of the new features from the Note 3, it's not on the Android 4.3, so that's kind of a disappointment. But there are other ROMs that actually ported some of the stuff, so I'll have another ROM review. The reason why I didn't do it this week is because I think we need to wait for the dust to settle, make sure everything's stable, and then I'll feature another ROM that has more Note 3 features next week. Also comes with Knox. I don't really use it. Samsung Wallet, interesting. Well, I don't have a SIM card on here, but that'll allow you to do Samsung Wallet, which is kind of new. And this is a leaked, so this is pretty much like a preview. So 4.3 is going to give you some great enhancements as far as speed and performance. And so, that is pretty good. And let me go over some of the features, of course, with this ROM in general. It is based on the leak, and it comes ODexed and rooted with BusyBox, everything you need. Also, it has init.d support, kernel, some tweaks to make it faster, better. But it's got pretty much all the apps. Took out some of the bloatware. If you need the bloatware, you can actually reflash the bloatware also. So that is nice. And as far as customization, Wanam now provides Wanam Expose app on the Play Store, so go ahead and download that. And also you'll have to install Expose Framework Installer. Once you install this, simply install update once, go to the modules, make sure Wanam Expose is checked on, reboot, and you'll be able to fully use the Wanam Expose app. Wanam Expose app, I love it because you can get shortcuts like this, hit the volume up, or you can get your lock screen rotating, just to the side. And I believe you can rotate it this way, yes. So you can rotate it to the side, which is nice. And also a bunch of other features. And also you can set a custom drop-down menu, and I know some of you dig this. I did it the opposite, but there you go. But let me go ahead and show you Wanam Expose. This app you can actually install on any Galaxy Note 2. I have a full tutorial guide on it over at my new site, GalaxyNote3Root.com. I'll have a link to it so you can find out how to install it. You can pretty much install it, but it is pretty much made for this ROM, since Wanam makes WanamLite ROMs. And let me go and show you some of the stuff you can do. Notification panel, you can change the clock size, clock position, AM, PM, battery icon, make it invisible if you want. Hide NFC. Some of the important stuff, let me go ahead and try to go over. Lock screen, custom carrier label. This is where you can enable your lock screen rotation. Hidden flashlight settings, that's where I was doing the flashlight. You can set number of seconds or minutes for the flash to turn on after you activate it. Let me go ahead and show you some of the stuff that I really like. You can also disable camera shutter sound there. And with system, let me see, reboot menu, NFC behavior. You can have your NFC working when your screen is off, and also when your screen is on, but your lock screen is locked. So that is nice. Enable camera during call. That's great. When you have call, you still want to take some photos. And also for multi-window, If you want to enable your favorite apps and it's not listed there, simply select multi-window apps, add your favorite apps, and apply, and you should be good to go. And also, you can change the long home key behavior. Let me see what it does right now. Long key, double press, it's going to go to S voice. So you can change those here, change it to whatever you like. You know, you can have it going to Google Now, and then you can do a double home click action. You can have that going to recent apps. So let me go ahead and try that. So if I hold it down, you might have to reboot to make that actually work. So just reboot and it will work. And also phone, you can enable this. This ROM does come with a call recording. You can also enable add call button, which kind of allows you to call another person after calling and then make a conference call. Very nice feature. Messaging, a bunch of stuff you can do with messaging. Themes, status bar. Yeah, more stuff you can do here. And security hacks. And also advanced here. All right. So overall, it's nice. I mean, you know, the Wanam Expose is pretty much the core of this ROM, and we should be very thankful that Wanam actually released it as an Expose framework module, which means you can install this on any Node 2 running TouchWiz. So that is nice. But you know, WanamLite is original. It should work the best with it, and I've had no problems. Every single feature seems to be working. So we get the latest 4.3 leaked, a bunch of Wanam features, a very nice ROM for noobs and also experts alike who want to try the latest Android 4.3 leaks with a bunch of cool features. Definitely I would go with this. And very stable ROMs Wanam makes, so definitely worth it. And yeah, do check it out for this week's ROM of the Week for the GTN 7100 if you want to try the latest leaked ROM. And do let me know what you think. And as always, if you have a Note 2, don't forget to sign up for my email list at galaxynote2root.com. We update you once a week with ROM of the Week tips, hacks, and more. And also, if you're on YouTube, please hit that like button for me or subscribe button there. And I will see you guys soon. Have fun with Android 4.3. There's a lot of stuff I didn't mention, but you'll find out there's a lot of security features. It's actually kind of annoying, but anyway, I will see you guys soon. Oh, also screen mirroring is new. If you have like an all share thing, you can just mirror your screen easily, wirelessly. Anyway, see you guys later. Stay high on Android.